While enthusiasts flock to the flashy new electric hypercars on the market, the 2026 offering that quietly revolutionized the driving experience without the fanfare is the undisputed king of underrated. It combines analog driving soul with modern reliability, delivering impressive acceleration and handling that leaves expensive rivals in the dust, yet it flies under the radar due to its conservative styling and a misinformed reputation regarding space. For those looking for a perfect daily driver that punches way above its weight class, this hidden gem is the standout choice of the year.